For making oats idli, we need oats, Suji or semolina, curd, cumin seeds, mustard seeds, Urad Daal, Chana Daal, chopped coriander leaves, curry leaves, chopped green chilies, grated ginger, grated carrots and Eno. Place a pan on medium heat and dry roast the oats for 5 to 6 minutes. We will now add the roasted oats in a grinder and grind them into a fine powder. After grinding the oats, the powder should look something like this. Heat oil in a pan and add mustard seeds, cumin seeds, Urad Daal, Chana Daal and curry leaves. Let them crackle. Once done, add the grated carrots and cook the mixture for 2 minutes. Now we will add the grated ginger, green chilies and cook the mixture for another minute. At this point, add the Suji. Mix everything well and let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes or until you can see separate grains of Suji. Add a pinch of turmeric powder just to give color to our idlis. Now we will add the oats powder and mix it well with the prepared mixture. Once done, switch off the flame and let it cool down. Add salt to taste, curd, coriander leaves and water. Add little water at a time. Here I have used 1 cup of water to prepare the batter. The consistency of this batter should be similar to the normal idli batter. Cover the mixture and let it rest for 20 minutes. Now give it a nice mix before making the idlis. Now take the idli making pan and brush oil in each of the cavities. Just before making the idlis, add the Eno and mix it gently with the batter. Pour a ladle full of idli batter in each of the cavity. Boil enough water in idli maker and place the idli pans carefully in it. Cook the idli for 8 to 10 minutes on high heat. After 10 minutes, let's check our idlis. They are looking perfectly cooked. If not, cook for another 2 minutes. Once they cool down, take them out of the pans using a knife. You can see how soft and fluffy they are looking. Our oats idli is now ready. Serve them with coconut chutney. That's all for today's video. Hope you all have liked it. If yes, then please like, comment and share this video with all your friends and family members. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel.